Hello, my name is Yuri and I'm from Technical Prospects, and today's tip is about how to delete a database in your system. Very often we have a situation when computer is not sending to packs and your customer is wondering what's going on. One of the main reasons why it happened, your database is too full and you have to take care and delete that database. To delete a database, we just need to click on Options, Service, Local Service, put your last 6 of the service password which you should have in your login screen. After you see the service software running, you go to Utilities, go to Database Tools, and you select Remove the database. When you do so, all the patient information will be wiped off, so you have to make a warning to your user what any obtained before images will be gone, but your computer will be refreshed and working much better after you do so. So we click Go, acknowledge database deletion, and wait until the system will reboot back to the normal operating mode. I hope it was helpful for you and you will use it in your daily life. And for more tips, please visit technicalprospects.com resource tab.